If you've ever struggled with mixing your tracks because your speakers don't give you the clarity you need, or if you've been frustrated by muddy bass and harsh highs, today's video is going to solve that problem for you. I'm reviewing the top 5 best studio monitors under $500. And, trust me, this list has something for everyone. Whether you're a beginner producer, a home studio enthusiast, or even a semi-pro looking for reliable gear, stick around until the end because I'll share my final recommendations and tell you which monitor I think gives you the absolute best value. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more audio tips and review, then leave a comment about which of these studio monitors you'd pick, and check out the links in the description for the best deals on the featured studio monitors. Starting off our list at number 5 is the PreSonus Eris Pro 8. This is a professional-grade studio monitor designed with a single-point source coaxial design for superior phase alignment and imaging. It features an 8-inch woven composite low-frequency driver paired with a 1.25-inch silk dome tweeter, delivering a frequency response from 35 Hz to 20 kHz. Powered by 140 watts of Class AB biamplification, it can reach up to 106 decibels sound pressure level without sacrificing clarity. It includes balanced XLR, balanced 1/4-inch TRS, and unbalanced RCA inputs, plus acoustic tuning controls for high frequencies, mid-range, high-pass filter, and acoustic space compensation. It's also wall and ceiling mountable, making it versatile for different studio setups. What I love most about the Eris Pro 8 is its imaging. The coaxial design really makes a difference when you're mixing complex tracks, giving you a symmetrical dispersion that feels natural and accurate. The bass response is smooth and powerful, yet not overwhelming, which makes it perfect for genres like pop, rock, and even EDM. This monitor is best for producers who want precision in stereo and surround applications, including Dolby Atmos setups. The only shortcoming is that it's slightly bulkier compared to other monitors in this price range. But honestly, the performance makes it absolutely worth it. At number 4 is the Yamaha HS5. This is a compact two-way biamplified Nearfield monitor with a 5-inch cone woofer and a 1-inch dome tweeter. It delivers a frequency response from 54 Hz to 30 kHz, powered by 70 watts of biamplification. Known for its iconic white cone design, the HS5 provides balanced XLR and TRS inputs, ensuring compatibility with professional audio gear. Its reputation comes from Yamaha's commitment to flat, accurate sound reproduction, making it a staple in countless studios worldwide. What I love most about the HS5 is its honesty. These monitors don't hype the bass or exaggerate the highs. They give you a flat, neutral sound that forces you to mix properly. If your track sounds good on the HS5, it'll sound good anywhere. They're best for producers who want a brutally honest monitor to refine their mixes, especially in small studio spaces. The shortcoming is that the low end doesn't extend as far as larger monitors, but that's expected with a 5-inch woofer. Pairing them with a subwoofer solves the issue, and they remain a fantastic choice. At number 3 is the JBL 305P MkII. This is a 5-inch powered studio monitor featuring JBL's patented image control waveguide, which provides precise imaging and a wide sweet spot. It delivers a frequency response from 49 Hz to 20 kHz, powered by dual 41-watt Class D amplifiers. The monitor includes balanced XLR and TRS inputs, along with adjustable input sensitivity. With a sleek design and JBL's reputation for professional audio, the 305P MkII is a favorite among home studio producers. What I love most about the JBL 305P MkII is its wide sweet spot. You don't have to sit perfectly centered to get accurate sound, which makes it great for collaborative sessions or when you're moving around your studio. The bass response is surprisingly deep for a 5-inch monitor, and the highs are crisp without being fatiguing. These are best for producers who want versatility and a forgiving listening experience. The only shortcoming is that they can reveal a bit of hiss at very low volumes, but once you're mixing at normal levels, it's not noticeable, and they're still worth every penny. Our runners-up is the Atom Audio T8V. This is an 8-inch powered studio monitor designed for bass-heavy production. It features a frequency response extending down to 33 Hz, making it perfect for EDM, hip-hop, and cinematic scoring. Powered by 70 watts bi-amplification, it includes Atom's signature U-Art tweeter, which reaches up to 25 kHz with minimal distortion. The HPS waveguide ensures a wide sweet spot, while RCA and XLR inputs provide flexible connectivity. With its industry-leading bass extension, the T8V is a powerhouse for producers who demand low-end accuracy. What I love most about the T8V is its bass extension. At 33 Hz, you're getting subwoofer level depth without needing an extra unit, which is incredible for electronic music producers. The highs are smooth and non-fatiguing, allowing you to work longer hours without ear strain. These monitors are best for producers who want to feel the low end while still maintaining clarity across the spectrum. The shortcoming is that they're physically large and may not fit smaller studio spaces easily, but if you have the room, they're absolutely worth it. Topping our list at number 1 is the MkII Audio IN8W V2. This is a 3-way powered studio monitor featuring an 8-inch woofer, a 4-inch mid-range driver, and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. Powered by a 150-watt Class D amplifier, it delivers a frequency response from 42 Hz to 22 kHz. It includes XLR, TRS, and RCA inputs, along with boundary compensation EQ settings for room customization. The 3-way design ensures precise imaging and separation of frequencies, making it ideal for critical listening and mixing. What I love most about the IN8W V2 is its 3-way design. The separation between the woofer, mid-range, and tweeter creates an incredibly detailed soundstage, allowing you to hear every nuance in your mix. The EQ compensation settings are a lifesaver for adapting to different room environments, ensuring consistent accuracy. These monitors are best for serious producers who want reference-level detail without breaking the bank. The shortcoming is that they're heavier than most monitors, but the performance and accuracy make them more than worth it. You're now set with the top 5 studio monitors under $500, each tailored to a different kind of creator and room. If you want pinpoint imaging for complex mixes and immersive setups, the PreSonus Eris Pro 8 is the one to trust. If you're learning the craft or mixing in a small space, the Yamaha HS5's honest, neutral response will sharpen your decisions. If you share your space or move around while working, the JBL 305P MkII's wide sweet spot keeps your perspective consistent. If your productions live on deep, controlled low end, the Atom Audio T8V brings sub-level extension without a sub. And if you need the most revealing reference-grade detail under $500, the MkII Audio IN8W V2's 3-way design gives you surgical clarity. Before you go, hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals on each studio monitor featured on this list. And drop a comment telling me which one fits your studio and why.